Hey Quinn, I spoke with Ivani and she said that you guys might be interested in this video. It shows how to improve some of your online presence to steal leads from Safelight and possibly other local competition. And so I usually just go over your website, your Google Business Profile, and Google Ads. And if you like what you see, let's set up a discovery call. And if not, no harm, no foul. So one thing about your website, it looks very professional, clean. It looks to be loading properly as well. It's awesome that you guys kind of do the fleets and the RV. But one thing I always recommend for websites is to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, and throughout that content you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. It looks like you say Denver and Centennial, because it's kind of in the middle of Colorado Springs in there. With that being said, like windshield replacement, Colorado Springs, Centennial or Denver, those are both buyer intent keywords. Also, if you save your images correctly, this doesn't look like it's an image, it looks like it's a background. Let's see if I can find one real quick. Maybe not. If you save your images correctly, though, they do count as content behind there as well. Windshield Replacement Services, Colorado. And it looks like you guys have been doing really great on your website so far. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It shows me your strength and trust that Google has for your website. You're currently at 4 and 0 due to your backlinks and referring domains, and you're getting about 78 people to your website each month due to that. Looking at some of your keywords, these are your rankings right here, like Colorado Fleet Auto Glass Repair. That's a great one to be in front of. Let's see, Mobile Auto Glass Replacement, number 6. Your website is actually looking really, really good. One thing that I've been helping with are the 2 places that I can see that are above your website, the Google Ads and also your Google Business Profile. I'll kind of go over these real quick, but for your for Google Ads, what you want is windshield replacement Centennial. Try and get as much of that in here as possible. Like they say auto glass replacement, which isn't the same, and windshield replacement, would be better. And then something to do with the location as well, whether it's a county, because people know counties locally, or the city itself, depending on how big it is. Once you have that, then your landing page should have a big click to call button up top, a form submit, what you do, where you do it, if you run any promotions, and then like a background image of what you also, like what's going on the page. If it's a window replacement, then have a window being replaced. If it's a windshield, make it a windshield. If it's an RV, then RV. But that's a great way to have a landing page set up on the top so people will call you right away. And just kind of looking here, I just did windshield and auto glass and Centennial only. They're just the city. And just between that, there's 320 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So another 600. So there's roughly 1,000 searches between these 7 keywords right here that if you got in front of for your Google Ads, this is where I steal a lot of leads for local companies, because most people who want it local don't usually, if they look at Safelight, that's one thing, but if they're looking just at these, they usually don't want Safelight. So that's a really good thing on how you can kind of benefit from here as well. The other thing is your Google Business Profile, and it's okay that you're not here. There's lots of ways to get up here. Like I said, it looks like your website's actually ranking really well. But to get in your Google Business Profile to rank here, there's a few things I do recommend. The first one is making sure to make your name, address, and phone number the exact same all across the internet so you don't mislead Google. Reviews are huge because that's one thing agencies can't really make, and that's where I have a little trick to help you guys get more reviews and better ones at that as well. And then putting your name, address, and phone number into citations or directories, which are like Yellow Pages and Yelp. It's really beneficial because Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the ads in the Google Business Profile, about 70% of people stop right here. So you're, out of all the searches for you, your website's only getting about 30% of the searches. So, like I said, your website's actually doing really well, so I wouldn't really recommend too much there, but possibly with your ads, like GBP is where I really recommend upping your online presence. And like I said, if you like what you see, Quinn, I hope this video is beneficial for you, and I will talk to you soon to set up a discovery call. Have a great day.